Hey guys, Jay here with Rough Riders again. We're doing another quick repair on the 2002 Honda S2000. This time we're troubleshooting the cruise control. So on my 2002 S2000, the cruise control light comes on, but does not engage. And so when that happens, it's going to be typically one of three things. So let's go underneath the dash and take a look at what those might be. So on each of the pedals, there are some sensors and some pads that have to be intact in order for the cruise control to engage. The first one is probably not the likely problem in most cases, but it could be, so it's something worth checking. And that is on the gas pedal. You essentially have two cables that work the gas pedal. There's this one which engages all by itself, and then there's this one right here that engages when the cruise control is on. And on that, there is a little roller right here that is kind of a plastic roller. So if that is broken or missing, the cruise control won't engage. Then on the brake and clutch pedal, there is a little stopper right here. It's a little hard to see where my thumb is. Let's see if I can get a better engagement on that. Right here, there's a plastic piece that stops, that it's a brake stop pad kind of thing, and there's a sensor right here, a sensor button, that pushes that button in. If this plastic piece is missing, then that button doesn't get pushed in, and so the car thinks the brake pedal is being pushed in, and therefore it disengages the cruise control. Or if it's missing, it won't engage the cruise control. And you can see it here on mine, on the clutch pedal, it's actually missing. So we need to replace that in order to get the cruise control to engage. And those buttons look a little like this. Let me show you what they look like. These are the little plastic buttons or pads that push the sensor button in that allows the cruise control to engage. And they're just plastic. You could also get them, like these ones are made of like a silicon sort of based design, so they're hard, but they're still flexible enough. So we just need to pop one of those into my clutch pedal, and then that should take care of the cruise control problem. So once it's in, it just looks like that, and then it presses that button in, and now it knows the clutch is not engaged, and therefore the cruise control will engage. So there you have it. It's a really simple fix. The part, I think the pack of 4 that I bought off Amazon was about $5 for the 4 pads. I only needed one of them, but it takes 2 minutes to swap that out. So if your cruise control light is on but not engaging, then it's probably going to be one of those 3 sensor pad things. So like I said, you have one on the clutch, one on the brake, and then the roller one on the gas pedal. So check those out. That should be a really quick and easy fix for you. For those that are thinking that it might be the fuse, it's not going to be the fuse. If you see the light on the cruise control switch, then it's not a fuse, because that light would not light up if the fuse were blown. So hopefully this has helped. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And we'll see you next time here on Rough Riders. Thanks for watching.